Hi guys! So today, I'm going to prank Daddy to the vinegar the kilikili. Let's see how the face expression looks like. I have vinegar. Mom, you put it.
Oh, you smell it, you smell it, you smell it. You have to make him smell this one first. And then that one, okay? After you put, okay? Bibidyoan ko eh. Did you smell it? Which one?
Yeah,
Which one?
this one.
You smell it again, Daddy.
Suka.
You smell it again.
Suka.
One more, Daddy, one more.
Asim?
It's a prank! Yes!
I don't like.
I don't like. Thank you. More. Can you subscribe my channel? And